Today, we are going to make an amazing and creative wall decor using popsicle sticks and some lucky stars. Let's get started. Materials needed. We need twine rope. We need a glue gun. We need scissors. We need 2 pieces of construction paper. We need some popsicle sticks. We also need 3 sets of color yarn of your choice. Let's get started on our wall decor activity. First step is to make our lucky star. Let's start. Let's take a ruler, a scissor, and a pencil. Let's measure 1 centimeter width and 30 centimeters long with both of the papers. Now let's cut it out. Let's cut it all the way to the top. Now I have 2 strips like this. Now let's fold them into a lucky star. Let's first make a cross. Let's hold our strip like this and turn our hand like this and hold it like this. And then twist and then make a cross. Now we have 2 lines, 1 long and 1 short. Let's take the short side and push it through the hole. And then let's pull it out slowly so it doesn't rip. Make it gently. Okay. Okay, now we have this kind of knot. Let's fold the edges more tighter, but not. Now I have folded these edges. Now let's take the bottom side right here. And then let's take our scissors and cut just a little bit off. Just a teeny tiny bit. That much. That's enough. Now let's flip it over. Take this end and then fold it inwards. Like this. Now we can work with the long side of the strip. Now let's take our strip and take the end and poke it through this hole right here. Let's poke it through. Like that. Now let's fold it. Let's take the end strip and then fold it diagonally in the right. And then turn it over and then diagonally in the left. Again, diagonally in the right and diagonally in the left. Keep doing that until you have a little bit of strips left. That's enough. Now let's cut like a little bit like earlier. And then let's tuck it into these 2 holes right here. Right there. Let's poke it in. Like that. Just poke it in like that. Now we have a shape. Now let's stiffen these sides inwards. Let's use our 2 fingers to push the sides so we have 5 sides for our lucky star. Let's take our 2 fingers and hold it and then push like this. Just push like that. And then you have 1 side. Let's do the others just like that. Push like that. Again. Push like that. Again, push. Like that. Let's make all the sides stiff. Now we have a little cute lucky star. Let's make another one with our other strip. Let's do the same that we did on this one. Make a slip knot like that. Then take the end and fold it in. Pull it out slowly. Now, and then cut the end a little bit. Fold it in like that. And then put it through this hole. Now do it right side diagonally up and then left side diagonally up, and keep doing that. The end. Then cut a little bit off and then push it in. Like that. Now let's fold the edges, like push and push. Push and push, like that. Now you have 2 lucky stars. Let's make some more so we can do our wall decor. Now I have 24 lucky stars and different colors. Now let's make our base plate of our wall decor. Let's take our sticks and a glue gun or glue, and then let's stick the popsicle sticks in house shape. Let's first put them in a house shape like this. You can make your own design as well. I'm going to do the bottom. We'll do the top. And there we go. We have a house shape. Now I'm going to glue it with my glue gun. Let's glue one edge and the other edge. And then let's stick it into place. Now let's do the same with the other sides as well. Let's take our glue each side. Now let's stick it in. Now I have made a wooden house using popsicle sticks. Now let's keep it aside and make the dangly decorations with our yarn. Small yarn. Let's wrap a big piece of yarn in our 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Let's just hold the end of our yarn with our thumb finger and let's roll and then let go. Now let's roll and roll like that until it's big enough. We need it at least like 5 centimeters thickness and 5 centimeters big. Now that's done. Now let's take it off our hands carefully, like that. Okay, carefully. Now we have a bundle of yarn. Now let's tie the end of our yarn. Let's cut just a little bit. Now let's tie it like that. I have tied a knot on the tippy top of our bundle. Now let's cut the bottom of our yarn piece. I have made the tassels. Now let's hang it on the bottom of our wooden house. Now I have attached all 3 of the tangly tassels. Now they're actually tangling. Boop, boop. Now let's stick these stars in the outline of our house shapes with popsicle sticks. You can stick it wherever you want. It's your decision. I'm gonna stick the big one on the top of my wall decor. You can do that too. Like that. Now I'm going to stick the other ones. I'm just going to stick a little bit. Like that. Make sure to put just a little bit of glue. I have made my wooden house using popsicle sticks and decorating it with lucky stars. I'm going to make the hanging part on the top of our house. I'm going to take this twine rope. I'm just going to take 10 centimeters long and I'm going to tie it on top of it like this so we can hang it like that. So let's tie it. I have fixed the hanging on the top. Now we can hang it on my room. You can make your own shapes like that and you can decorate however you like. I hope you like my home decor. Thank you. See you. Bye.